pulls this big oversized blade out. He said, "Do you want to die?" He said to my face, "Do you want to die?" A few people ran by. The first person was a girl, and she ran by and she shouted, "There's a man with a knife. Big knife." She said, "Run." So, and there was a few of them. So they went past, and then I sort of followed them. They ran. They were heading to the buffet car. Doors opened, and there was a big guy there with a rucksack. So he's coming down. The man's there looking at me, and he pulls this big oversized blade out. He said, "Do you want to die?" He said to my face, "Do you want to die?" By that time, I'm still waiting, looking out and making sure that buffet car door has gone click. And it clicked off with me and him, and I went for him like as in a knife. So I sort of severed my hand, left hand, and my fingers and all that is in quite a bad way. And I got the news today. It looks like I've got to go tomorrow to the plastic surgeon place for a scan. I heard the click of the door went, and that's it. They're all safe now. They got in. So he's got that knife and started swinging it about with me. He's caught me a few times here and there. It's like the type of thing when you throw a knife at something, you sort of like sticking it, and you sort of, I think the word is, you're sort of slashing them. As the wounds look like today when the bandages come off. We could see a bit more, some were deeper wounds than others, so it's a slashing.
How did you get out of it with your life?
Well, once I knew that door had gone and he couldn't get in, I managed to sort of push him away from me, and he's fallen over. And I'd gone back the other way, away from him then.
Right.
And back into a toilet there was no one in it, and it was, thank God. So I got in there, and by that time I was bleeding lots. And I turned around and sort of at him, as you say, you can't get in there now. Eventually, a few minutes passed by, and there's still blood. The blood's coming out of here, their hands, pretty bad, heads. And then there was big banging on the door, and it was, and then I heard the walkie-talkie, so I knew it was the army, police, or type of thing, And so then I was safe. I thought, I'm okay.